case you're curious, we're making slime. First, I'd like to tell you about our epic slime failure. So we were almost done making the slime, and then my mom read the instructions, and we used shaved gel. We aren't supposed to. So this is our slime that we made. It's so sticky and icky. So this is an epic fail. So sad. And this is my friend Henrietta, who helped us make the epic fail. And we're gonna be back to make some better slime. Revenge.
We also have to go to like Jumper Shark Farm.
Now we're gonna make some slime properly. Some things that you need: contact lens solution, the one with boric acid, and shaving cream. Not gel, not this type. Definitely not that. And school glue, baking soda, measuring cups, if you want to, glitter glue, food coloring, and water, and tablespoons. First, we're gonna add the glue. 2/3 of a cup of school glue. Oops. Okay, we're gonna add it.
My turn.
Let's get this out. Oops. Now Henrietta's gonna add the next cup. You wanna pour it? Okay, be careful, don't spill. Open.
Just enough to fill the thing.
Okay, now dump it in, Hen. Okay, if not all of it comes out, use a spatula, oops, to scrape it out, or a spoon or something. Now 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda. A bit more maybe. Now I'm gonna add it.
And we mix.
I'll use this.
And this. This could use some color.
I'm gonna use it after.
I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of water. This could use a bit more.
Now we're gonna mix to combine. Now 2/3 of a cup of foamy shaving cream. I'm gonna add one and she's gonna add one.
It's really foamy.
I'm gonna flatten that down and see if I could use a bit more.
Yeah, I can put in a bit more.
I'm not gonna add the whole cup because I added a bit too much, so she's gonna just do a little bit. That's good.
Now we're gonna mix.
To combine. It's much better than our last batch. So I'm gonna add 2 drops of blue food coloring. She's gonna add 2 drops of red food coloring. 1, 2, 3. I guess 3 now.
2, 3.
And let's mix. Because we're making purple, and red and blue make purple.
So let's see if this works. Wow, this is way too red. I think we need more blue. Yeah, we need more blue.
I'm gonna do 1 last drop of blue.
Hopefully
Or
this
2.
works. Or 2. 1 or 2. Drop of purple. I think we need a bit more blue.
Okay, we're gonna add a bit more blue.
That was 4 drops.
Yeah.
So we added 4 drops of blue.
Okay, that looks good now.
That looks a lot better. It's a really pretty purple.
Yeah. Okay.
One more drop of red. Or 2.
Okay, I think this is a nice color now.
Perfect. Yeah, that's pretty.
That's a nice color. Now I'm gonna add the contact lens solution, 1 tablespoon only. And then I'm gonna stir a tiny bit. And then we're gonna start knead for 5 minutes.
With our hands.
Okay, that's good. Now that's gonna knead. Take this off a bit.
Yeah, this looks a lot better. Looks a lot better
Oh,
than last
wow.
time. This is a
Feels
lot
so
better than
good.
last time.
Yeah, a lot better.
Yeah.
It's working better definitely than our last batch.
Definitely.
It feels like definitely like slime now.
Yeah, a lot like really gluey slime. Oh my god, it's stuck in my hand.
Ah, my hand. Stop holding onto my
Well,
hand.
I'm trying to get it off your hands. Oh my god, it's stuck to my hands.
Okay, it's been 5 minutes now. I'm gonna add the next part, but it's only half of a tablespoon. And now we're gonna mix again. This should make it not stick to your hands as much. Oh yeah, it's working.
Yeah, it's working. This is really helping. Yeah, it's coming right off my hands now. Here. Okay, it's coming like right off my hands. All I have to do is like just do this. It's coming right off my hands.
It feels so good. This is a fluffy slime recipe from Best Ideas for Kids website. See me next on Amethyst on YouTube.